Greek survival questions, as there.
Υπάρχει.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun way to learn languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you and I will master 8 tiny Greek superpowers for travel and everyday life. Listen to the heroes of the day, as there.
Υπάρχει.
May I?
Μπορώ να.
I need.
Χρειάζομαι.
Where is?
Πού είναι?
What is?
Τι είναι?
How much does it cost?
Πόσο κοστίζει?
I would like.
Θα ήθελα.
Can you? Informal.
Μπορείς να. Ερωτηματικό.
And formal.
Μπορείτε να.
Let's make them yours. Your goal today. You'll speak each phrase clearly, use it in a real scene, and smile while doing it. Warm up, repeat after me, nice and slow, then quicker. Is there a restroom nearby? Say.
Υπάρχει τουαλέτα εδώ κοντά.
May I sit here? Say.
Μπορώ να κάτσω εδώ.
I need water. Say.
Χρειάζομαι νερό.
Where is the museum? Say.
Πού είναι το μουσείο?
What is this? Say.
Τι είναι αυτό?
Market sketch. Funny but useful. Imagine you at a sunny Athens market. Let's act it out and laugh while learning. You. Hi, I would like a postcard, please.
Θα ήθελα. Μια κάρτα, παρακαλώ.
Vendor. Of course.
Βεβαίως.
You. How much does it cost?
Πόσο κοστίζει?
Vendor.
Κοστίζει 10 ευρώ.
You. Whispering to your wallet, is there a discount?
Υπάρχει έκπτωση.
Vendor. Smiling, for you, small discount.
Μικρή έκπτωση.
You. Great. Where is the ATM?
Πού είναι? Το ATM.
Vendor. Right there. Also, may I bag it? You say, yes, please.
Ναι, παρακαλώ.
Forms and politeness. Can you? You'll nail informal versus formal like a pro, friendly and respectful. To a friend, can you show me the station? Say.
Μπορείς να. Ερωτηματικό. Μου δείξεις το σταθμό.
To a clerk, can you show me the exit? Say.
Μπορείτε να. Μου δείξετε την έξοδο.
Tip. Informal equals.
Μπορείς να. Ερωτηματικό.
For one person you know. Formal equals.
Μπορείτε να.
For strangers are plural. Mini drills. Need versus want. Quick swaps train your brain. Repeat out loud. I need a minute.
Χρειάζομαι 1 λεπτό.
I would like a coffee.
Θα ήθελα έναν καφέ.
I need help, please.
Χρειάζομαι βοήθεια, παρακαλώ.
I would like a table for 2.
Θα ήθελα ένα τραπέζι για 2.
Culture tip. The Greek question mark. Tiny mark, big difference. This saves confusion and gets you smiles. In Greek, the question mark looks like a semicolon. So your questions end like this.
Τι είναι? Πού είναι? Πόσο κοστίζει? Υπάρχει. Μπορώ να. Μπορείς να. Ερωτηματικό. Μπορείτε να.
Try reading them with a rising intonation. Your punctuation just leveled up. Lightning quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the Greek after a short pause. Q1. Ask politely to a receptionist, can you help me? A.
Μπορείτε να. Με βοηθήσετε.
Q2. You point at a snack. How much does it cost? A.
Πόσο κοστίζει?
Q3. You're lost. Where is the metro? A.
Πού είναι το μετρό?
Q4. You need help. I need water. A.
Χρειάζομαι νερό.
Q5. You're curious. What is this? A.
Τι είναι αυτό?
Q6. Informal to a friend. Can you open the window? A.
Μπορείς να. Ερωτηματικό. Ανοίξεις το παράθυρο.
Challenge. 20-second traveler. You've got this. Use the right phrase for each scene. Scene 1. You're at a cafe counter and want to order politely. Say, I would like a tea, please. Model.
Θα ήθελα. Ένα τσάι, παρακαλώ.
Scene 2. You need directions to the bathroom. Ask, where is the restroom? Model.
Πού είναι η τουαλέτα?
Scene 3. You're at a kiosk looking for stamps. Ask availability. Is there a stamp? Model.
Υπάρχει γραμματόσημο.
Scene 4. Museum entrance. Be polite. Ask, may I take photos? Model.
Μπορώ να βγάλω φωτογραφίες.
Scene 5. Shop counter to a stranger. Ask, can you print the receipt? Model.
Μπορείτε να εκτυπώσετε την απόδειξη.
Wrap up. Nice work, your Greek toolkit is loaded. You now wield.
Υπάρχει. Μπορώ να. Χρειάζομαι. Πού είναι? Τι είναι? Πόσο κοστίζει? Θα ήθελα. Μπορείς να. Ερωτηματικό.
And.
Μπορείτε να.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, share a smile, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, transcripts, and drills. See you next time with Synapse Lingo.